Windows 101. How to measure for a replacement window. Successful replacement window installation begins with accurate measurement of the opening into which the replacement window is to be installed. Improper installation will result in faulty operation, which may void the manufacturer's warranty. Accurately measure any opening before purchasing your vinyl replacement windows. There are 3 measurements that are critical to ensuring the proper sized replacement window is ordered. They are width, height, and square or diagonals. Accurate measurements must be taken of each window opening. Windows that appear to be the same size may, in fact, vary enough that different replacement window sizes are required. Please measure each dimension in inches and always refer to the width as the first measurement. The true width is the measurement of the distance between the left and right sides of the existing wood window opening. When measuring the width, measurement should record the distance from jamb to jamb at 3 locations: bottom, middle, and top. Be sure to take these measurements from inside the house. Use the smallest of the 3 dimensions as the width for the replacement window. Next, measure the height from the highest portion of the sill to the header, from the right side, middle, and left side. You will need to open the bottom sash before measuring height to provide access to the sill. The next step is to measure the diagonals. First, measure from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. Then measure from the bottom left corner to the top right corner. If the distances are equal, the opening is square. If the 2 measurements vary by more than 1/4 inch, the opening is out of square and a smaller replacement window should be strongly considered. Remember, when ordering replacement windows, please provide the manufacturer with the width and height measurement in inches. Manufacturers calculate the specific sizes of their replacement windows based on these dimensions. If you have any questions or concerns about the measuring process or your actual dimensions, please consult a professional contractor or window installer. We hope this makes measuring windows a little easier.